So what you need to know in this problem is that the two bases, well, each base is a circle. So we're talking about pi r squared there. And there's two of them. And what they tell you is that if you multiply that by 5, you'll equal the curved surface, which is 2 pi r is the circumference times the height. So I guess what I'm thinking about there is that we have 10 pi r squared needs to equal 2 pi r, and they tell you that the height is 6 in the problem. So I think at this point I can just figure out that this side is 12 pi r. And what I'm going to do is divide the 12 and the pi to the left side. And what will happen is these pi's will